Good day, everyone. Thank you all for joining this virtual session. We're here today to discuss an important topic, the disaster preparedness and how a Go Grab bag can make difference during emergencies. My name is Nathaniel and I will be moderating this session. Now, let's begin our session. So guys, aware ba kayo kung ano-ano ang mga nilalaman ng Go Grab bag?
Yes naman, Mr. Nathaniel, no? Pero, honestly, medyo nakakapag-panic din talaga kung di natin alam kung ano yung laman ng Go Grab bag, no?
Agree ako diyan sis, since 'di ba minsan di natin alam na sa sobrang dami ng gamit natin is i-consider natin 'to na ilagay lahat sa Go Grab bag. Kaya this session will help us to know kung ano-ano nga ba talaga ang dapat lang na laman ng Go Grab bag.
Wow, grabe, aware din pala yung mga audience natin, no? About sa Go Bag. Pero how about the others? Ayan, marami-rami din pala yung mga hindi aware sa audience natin in this session. But it's okay kasi in this session, we have a special guest na mag-share about sa mga nilalaman ng Go Grab Bag. So allow me to introduce ang babaeng pinagkakaguluhan, sikat na sikat at palaging trending, Miss Pearl.
Hi everyone, thanks Nathaniel for the introduction. I'm really excited to share my vlog with you today. So I've created this video to give you a closer look at the Go Grab bag, a must-have for disaster preparedness. Let's play the video now and afterward, we'll discuss its importance and answer your questions.
Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essentials of a Go Grab bag, a survival kit that everyone should have in case of emergencies like earthquake, floods, and typhoons. So this is my Go Grab bag. It is lightweight and easy to carry. Inside, you'll find items like bottled water, non-perishable food, flashlight, extra batteries, whistle, hygiene products, first aid kit, clothes, and important documents. So let's go through each items in detail. First up, unang-una, we have bottled water and non-perishable food. Importante talaga ng hydration and nourishment lalo na sa mga situations kung saan mahirap makahanap ng malinis na water and pagkain. Next, meron tayong flashlight and extra batteries. So, super helpful na to during power outages or kung kailangan nating maglakad sa madilim na lugar. Just make sure na ang inyong batteries ay laging fresh or bago. Next, of course, we also have whistle. So, malinsan, maliit lang siya, pero malaking tulong. You can use it to signal for help or para may makarinig sa'yo in case of emergency. Nandun tayo ditong first aid kit, kung saan nandito lahat, the bandages, antiseptics, at mga basics para magamot ang mga minor injuries and maiwasan ang infections. So, nandito rin ang mga hygiene products, so like the tissues, hand sanitizer, and basic toiletries. Importante maging malinis at healthy ka pa rin kahit sa challenging situations. Ito naman ang lahat. At ito pa, extra clothes. So, magdala kayo ng damit na comfortable kayo at mabilis matuyo. Kasi kung mabusa or magka-problem sa weather, at least meron kang fresh set of clothes na pampalit. And lastly, ang mga important documents, IDs, insurance, certificates, emergency contacts, etc. So, nasa waterproof pouch siya para siguradong safe kahit anong mangyari. Sinaziplock. And inside, all of the important things. So that's everything in my Go Grab bag. Remember, disaster preparedness starts in small steps like this. Having a Go Grab bag can make a big difference when it comes to safety and survival. Thank you for watching.
Alright, that's my vlog. I hope it gave you a clear idea of what a Go Grab bag is and why it is so important. I would love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have.
Ayan, thank you Miss Pearl for that insightful vlog. Now let's open the floor to everyone. So I have questions sa mga audience natin, no? What do you think about the Go Grab bag? Meron ba kayo nito sa mga bahay, no? Kindly raise your hand if you want to answer the question. Ayan, ang dami nagtaas ng kanilang hands. So let's have Miss Gabrielle.
So, important pala talaga yung Go Grab bag in case of emergency. And honestly, wala ako nun. And I think I need to prepare na rin. So, may tanong lang din ako for Miss Pearl. So, yung Go Grab bag pala is hindi dapat sobrang daming laman mo. Like, yung mga important needs lang talaga and yun talaga makakatulong sa atin in case of emergency.
Tama ka, Miss Gabriel. And also, importante rin na alam natin kung saan natin nilagay yung mga gamit para kapag din natin siya, is madali natin siyang kukuha.
Ayan, I think that's the end ng Q&A session natin. This has been such an enlightening session. Thank you, Miss Pearl, for your effort in creating and sharing the vlog, and thank you to everyone for your active participation. Always remember, let's make disaster preparedness a priority. If everyone needs additional resources or tips, feel free to reach out. Thanks again for joining and have a great day.